A very good evening and a warm welcome to another episode of No Reservations with myself, Aisha Alam Khan. Tonight's guests, again, are friends I haven't seen in a very long time. One of them I've worked with, the other one I've just been friends with. We've done crabbing and all kinds of fun stuff together. Who are these people? Well, you are going to have to find out. She has been a hit in media, then she disappeared. She's now come back again. She is trying to, I think she's now finally comfortable with herself. The male counterpart that I have on the show tonight. He's funny, he's hilarious, and usually always late, although today he had a very valid reason. Who am I talking about? That you're going to have to find out by staying tuned to me right here on No Reservations. I'm Aisha Alam Khan. Good evening.